Welcome to the Comprehensive Process Guide for the DWMS Job Fair Module. This video covers the Employer, Job Seeker, and Job Fair modules, which are integral parts of the digital workforce management system. The DWMS ecosystem comprises three core modules. The Employer module initiates job fairs and assigns applications. The Job Fair module maps job seekers, manages the venue queue, and marks interview and hiring status. The Job Seeker module allows candidates to register, build profiles, and apply for opportunities. There are two main types of job fairs. In a physical job fair, the employer is physically present, and job seekers attend locally or remotely via video conference. In a virtual job fair, job seekers attend physically at SDPK centers, while employers join virtually via video conference. The virtual job fair involves several key roles. Core participants are the job seeker and the employer. Supporting roles include center support, the channel owner for CRM functionality, and the channel manager for operations and data. The job fair process is structured into three stages. The pre-event phase includes fixing application windows and targets. The event date covers venue visits, attendance, interviews, and status updates. The post-event stage focuses on comprehensive reporting, follow-up, and full traceability. The pre-event phase for the DSM team involves establishing the job fair intent 22 days prior and finalizing job titles and employers. Deck preparation ensures a mix of premium and non-premium jobs. Employer positioning guidelines define the number of HR staff based on open positions and job titles. Pre-event statistics establish HR requirements and candidate limits. At initiation, there is one HR per job title for every 500 openings, with a limit of 60 candidates per HR per day. Formulas determine the maximum candidates allowed to apply to a job title and mark intent. The pre-event internship team focuses on candidate preparedness. Activities include skill connecting, communication and soft skill training, and interview readiness training to boost confidence. The registration and profile creation process involves 5 steps. Candidates first sign up on DWMS. They then add technical and soft skill details, experience details, education details, and other details, including personal and contact information. To apply for jobs, candidates first search for jobs within the job fair. Next, they apply by selecting their preferred SDPK center. Finally, an eligibility check automatically flags if the criteria are not met, requiring profile updates and reapplication. The pre-event steps continue with mark intent and QR generation. Candidates view applied jobs, then mark intent by confirming attendance. They select time, choosing a preferred district, center, and time slot. Finally, a QR code is generated to serve as the entry pass for the venue. The pre-event activities and deadlines are managed by several teams. Job fair intending and job posting are managed by DSM, 25 to 15 days before the event. Application checks and configuration are handled by the platform team and DSM team, with deadlines close to the event date. On event day, the check-in process begins with the candidate role, arriving at the center and presenting their QR code. The PSA role scans the QR to mark physical attendance. The PSA then marks job preference and generates a token number for each job title. Execution roles on event day are crucial for smooth operation. The channel owner moderates the virtual room. The channel manager oversees multiple channels and ensures employer availability. The employer conducts interviews via vConsole and updates candidate status immediately. Further execution roles include the platform team, ensuring job fair configuration, integration, and closure. The data team ensures that job title-wise data capture is completed with integrity. During event activities involve several responsible parties. Event management, issue resolution, and infrastructure are handled by the SDPK and IT teams. Application, data, and functionality are managed by the platform, data, and field teams respectively. Post-event reporting focuses on comprehensive analytics. The system generates detailed reports, including SDPK center-wise, job station-wise, employer-wise, and overall job fair-wise reports to analyze the fair's success. Post-event activities are assigned to specific teams with deadlines. Interview and data collection are due on day 1, followed by discrepancy communication and employer clarification. Result finalization is due on day 2, and certificate verification and printing on day 3. The practical session covers the key processes, starting with candidate registration and applying for jobs. It details preference marking, how job seekers and employers join the interview, the role of the channel owner, marking candidate action, and how to close the job fair.